Hello, welcome to Minnie's Mini Meals. In this video, I'm going to show you my recipe for cauliflower fried rice. This is a healthy alternative to rice dishes. I have used a food processor to cut my cauliflower, but if you don't have a food processor or a chopper, use regular grater or use your knife to cut cauliflower into small pieces. I used a pretty large cauliflower, so I didn't add any vegetables to it. If you want to add vegetables like beans or carrots or cabbage, cut them into small pieces and add them right before you add the cauliflower in the video, and cook for maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Remember, it takes a lot of practice and patience to perfect a recipe, so keep trying.